Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating ways humans think and reason across different fields. This is the first slide, so I want to warmly welcome you all and introduce our topic with enthusiasm. The title of our presentation is Understanding Human Reasoning Processes, and we'll also touch on how reasoning varies across disciplines. Over the course of this presentation, we'll look at various methods and approaches people use to think and make sense of the world. So, let's dive in and discover the diverse ways human reasoning shapes our understanding. Human thinking is not fixed. It's actually quite flexible and adaptable. There are multiple reasoning styles that people use, depending on the situation or even their personality. And what's interesting is that in real life, we often combine these different styles rather than sticking to just one. This highlights how dynamic and nuanced our thought processes really are. Understanding this variability is key to appreciating how we solve problems and make decisions across different contexts. It ties back to the overall theme that thinking isn't a one-size-fits-all process, but a complex interplay of approaches. Let's take a closer look at the structure of deductive reasoning, which is often described as rule, case, and conclusion. First, we start with a general rule or principle. For example, all metals expand when heated. This rule sets the foundation for our reasoning. Next, we look at a specific case that fits this rule, such as iron is a metal. By identifying this case as part of the rule, we can logically connect the two. Finally, based on the rule and the case, we draw a conclusion. Therefore, iron expands when heated. This is the logical outcome of applying our rule to the particular case. This top-down approach is fundamental in logical reasoning because it allows us to make clear and justified conclusions from general principles. It's a very effective way to structure arguments and understand how evidence connects to broader concepts. Throughout this presentation, we see how this method helps us analyze and build sound reasoning processes. Let's look at how observations lead us to identify patterns, which then help us draw conclusions. For example, if we notice that the sun rises every day, we can reasonably predict that it will rise again tomorrow. This process is called inductive reasoning, often described as a bottom-up approach. We start with specific observations, like the sunrise, and from those, we infer a general pattern that the sun rises daily. This pattern then helps us make conclusions about future events, even if we haven't directly observed